It's time to make the third North Star. We need jute, glue, water, bowl, glue gun, glue stick, paintbrush, ruler, pencil, hard cardboard. We need 2 of them and scissors. To start with, we will be drawing a star on 1 piece of cardboard. Just like this. You can use an eraser to correct the star shape. Make a line like that. Now connect this end to this end. Just like this. Now draw a line from here to here. Just like this. Now place the hard cardboard under this other cardboard. Put dots of glue on these corners. And then insert the push pins. Just like this. Put this aside. Take a bowl and we have to mix half of water and half of glue. Now take the brush and mix it. Just like this. You can take this jute or this jute or anything that you have. Put your jute in this mixture. Don't crumple it and put it. Make sure you put it like long in, and then make sure you don't tangle it up or it'll be hard to take out and undo it. Now mix it. Coat the jute nicely with the mixture. Just like this. Find one end and squeeze the extra glue out. After you're done, place it on a good surface. Immediately place it on this. Follow the line. Make sure it's tight and let this dry. I have already made one that is already dry. See? Let's take it out. First, pull out some of the pin. See if it will come out. Just like this. Take some jute and we need to wrap it around the star. For that, we need to take the jute and drip it into the glue mixture that we made and then wrap it around. I will do it and then show. Just like this. Take one end and wrap it around the star. You can wrap it the way you want. Let it dry. Our star is dried, see? Doesn't it look beautiful? You can decorate your stars also. I have decorated mine with glitters, beads, and like this.